This is the Ansonia Buffalo kitchen mantle clock. Beautiful clock. Made in about 1895. Works really good. I haven't had any problems with it. I haven't seen another clock like this actually, so if anybody's got one, let me know. Trying to get a closer view here. Maybe open up the door so you can see the inside of it. Right in behind there is the Ansonia symbol, and behind the pendulum there. Really good mechanical shape. All original condition. As you can see, the glass is all intact. No problems with the glass at all. Try to, I don't know if I can turn it without it. I don't want to stop its movement, but I'll try to show you the back. The stamp that's left on the back of it is, there it is there. I better get this baby going again before it loses track of time. Just wanted to show you how, so it'll tick like that. Goes. Just a beautiful clock. I called them the Ansonia Kitchen Buffalo Mantle Clocks. I don't know a lot about them other than I did go on the website and search some information on the company itself. Made clocks for a long time. A lot of different makes and models. If anyone's got one like this, let me know. I'm curious what you think the value on this is. As you can see, it's all in really good condition. Trying to get some footage of the outer case here. Yeah, so anyways, if anyone's got one like this, let me know. I'm curious what the value is on this. I got it given to me. Alright, hope you enjoyed.